Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. When you lost your admin password, you may want to know how to factory reset Windows 10 without password. Here are two methods for you. Actually, you do not need to erase all the data in your computer if you just want to bypass the login screen. The best solution is to bypass Windows password with PassFab 4 Win key without losing data. Get the link below in the description. Run it on an accessible computer. Insert a USB to burn the tool in. Select it. And click Next. Once done, read the tutorial. Plug in the burned USB into your locked computer. Restart. Press F12 to enter the boot menu. Boot from the USB. You will see PassFab 4 Win key here. Choose your operating system here and click Next. Select your account. Click Remove Account Password. Press Next button. Wait for a few seconds, your login password will be removed. Reboot the computer. You can log in without password. And all your data is still here. If you don't mind losing data, you can factory reset your computer from login screen. Press and hold Shift key and click Restart. You will be led to boot options. Click Troubleshoot. Select Reset this PC. You can choose Remove Everything, then follow the on-screen instructions to reset your PC. If this method doesn't work for you, you can reinstall Windows 10 directly. If you didn't have an installation disk, you can use PassFab for ISO. If you have Windows 10 ISO, click Burn, or click the link to download one. Then, click Burn. Insert a disk and select it to burn. A few moments later, you will get a Windows 10 installation disk. Now, insert the installation disk into your computer. Restart. Press F12 to enter boot menu. And boot from the disk. You can see Windows setup here. Follow it to reinstall Windows 10.